Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to install the RAM. So here I have King Max 4 gig RAM, and the reason I choose King Max is because it have like this nice little red stain here. This make the RAM more stable, stuff like that, and you keep your RAM alive much more longer. So there's first I gotta talk about the problem of the RAM. First, you might find your RAM much more lag or undetected when you put the when you turn on your computer. It's because there might be some dust on the golden side here, and the only thing you have to do is use an eraser and rub it, and hopefully it will be fixed. If it's not, it might be some problem or something might broke inside the RAM, and you have to give it to the company, and they probably will fix it for you. But that's much more it takes time to make them, and they usually won't fix them. They will probably just give you a new one, something like that. So now moving on to installing the RAM. Here the RAM, this is the slot of the RAM beside the CPU or wherever it is on your motherboard. And yeah, one important thing for the RAM is you can see they got colors. It's not just the design, also it's because it gives you like a hint that you should put in the same color, because they have the same line under the motherboard, so they can transform much more faster. So here, put in this thing first, and it's quite hard to install a RAM because you have to actually push it really hard. And there we go, and it's really stable. So next here I got the other one too. It's the other side, and I'm putting in the green because, like I say, you should put in the same color to make it much more faster. So now we just put this in here, nice and easy. Maybe not nice and easy, but okay, there we go, and the other side too. Okay, there we go. So it's really stable right now. So now here is how you install the RAM, and you don't need a screwdriver like that. So next video I will teach you guys about how to install the graphic card.